but hara later, no? I don't have time, okay? I had to walk into it and then I had to do something important too, okay? We are busy, okay? You are busy, I am busy, okay? Our people are busy in the world, okay? They are busy about the working job, maybe prayer, dream missionaries, okay? So many things, preaching, okay? A lot of them, okay? But me too. I am busy all the time, busy, okay? I think you and me not the same, okay? Because you better than me, um, maybe I think by myself, I'm not better than any other person, okay? I try the best, not comment the bad, okay? Here's I want to read for you something today, okay? Something today. Daniel, sorry, not something today, about the David fleet. David fleet စေတာနဲ့မြင်ကြလား David ခိတာမလို့စောတာဝင်နေအခိတာလို့နော်စောတာဝင်ဘာခိတာလို့မနုကေကလို့လေနော်ဖိနေဘာခိတာလို့ပုတ်တယ်မှာလား okay we okay we flees about the okay our enemy defend us okay this mean is not important thing we flees by our children is very bad okay remember this my friends my brother my sister okay our enemy is in our household somebody maybe believe maybe somebody don't believe that's fine no problem yeah? ဘာသာတော့ပကစစ်တူတာလပတောင်းမပေါ့နော်ပမာရာပလေရာပကီရာလောပတလတကေကိုတော့ပိုဒါဆူရာဘူးနော်နော်ပစကမောလာတာလပကမာတာခိတာဝါလော we think about we doing everything is good but something happened to you something happened to you today is the David fleet why reason for the David fleet နော်စောတာဝင်နေဘာမနအခုလအပခိလေနော်ဖိနေနော်ပကတက်တမလာနော်ခိစမွေလာအဆာဒိုတစီရဲ့အစဖိုးတစီသနော်တူလာလို့သစီတော့ပကတက်နွိနေပကလက်တိပါဖိုင်နေမနော် okay second Samuel chapter 15 verse 13 to the 37 you reading there you will see something happen there okay here the messenger came and told David the ears of the men of Israel are with Absalom now Absalom is David's son now but the Batiba learning Kalurga Jesus so that we order see what up Israel apa kanyor pa na ata u software so Absalom a kilo no Absalom okay after that the David said to all the officers who were with him in Jerusalem no come we must flee or none of us will escape from the Absalom no from Absalom we must leave immediately or he will move quickly to overtake us and bring ruin upon us and put the city to the shore no what very dangerous okay very dangerous no later we think about is not easy Absalom is I want to tell you about a little bit Absalom is sort of with son okay when we meet again I will tell about the Absalom story about what happened to the Absalom here the sort of with Siba Akipa Kele la odo or la Jerusalem pune resetter do hit kurki made me ba dinero patapu pleba so Absaloba hatok klirki the clear name ba pu no pwa asa tigle do ka de ba pwa le ta do ka klo kwi wi le na ka na lo no flees okay quickly flees nó ở ngoài này khi nó bắt khi mi khi lo bắt mình mới khi vào lưu trên nhau mà nó you don't flees you will no you will get by sword because the as Absalom is very powerful man okay here no the king's officer answered him your servants are ready to do whatever our laws the king chooses no when it did all up no when him no a play no no penny sopa keepa siba sopa kwa na kina puar pani kama pera tala yekasa sopa a hutowe tamilala lo no ola no Absalom is very dangerous man. Okay, we think about that. Oh, David, hola, David. Okay, we understand about the we flees by the enemy is the fight, but we flees by the son. Our son is not good then. Okay, here I want to read you more about that. Okay. 16 said the king set out with his entire household following him, but he left 10 concubines to take care of the palace. No, concubine. No, only how many? Okay, how many? 10 concubines. No, concubine. Only take care 10 concubines. Okay. I want to tell you about something. It's very important. Okay. Do sopa ha todo apa hipoke le udo. Do sopa palote pa tim ma sisega di tu akapa hinelo pa tim ma sisega. Do pani do pa nya le tama ta we ta khiwe di nyo no. Di nyo no. Le tan khu ta do ni. So the king set out with all the people following him, and they headed at the place come distant away. Now distant away. Little quarter of Pagitema. Sopa ni pain is sopa hato. Do pagamukele udo. Do ukatol no Pagitema ukatol a lot ushiro no Pagitema. Pagitema ukatol a lot ushima. Pagitema away in distant away. No, a place some distant away, no, away the oral no. All his men's merchants passed him, along with all the Carithiti and the Pilathiti, and all the 600 no, Gentiles who has accompanied him from the gates merchant before the king. Now, when the Paganyotti the Pala, no, Paganjama Payne. No, David, no. Do a keep what colony lepuquilla her, do what Caritha pu killer, what pili, pa no, pili pu killer, do pakiti pu killer, pahugiala, a head or no, Pugitana mala, ka thapune, le dollar sopa menalo, no, when you know. Pugitana pahela kathapune, le dollar menia, okay. Let us go up a thing, no, away metal before the king, no. The king served to the Itai, the Pagtanamala Gitali. Why so you can alone with us, no? Why so you can alone with us, no? Go back and stay with King, no? Absalom, no? You are the for fortunes and exile from your homeland. No, Penido, while Bamanilun Pop Kile, no editive payment, no? Do so passiva pakiti po so ite, no so ite. Nele siko do, poa me abamanile, Kisu Nalodo, Uro sopa, no? Tiki agidi in the me poa cobamupu, do poa ba. Ta hotok wheeler nelolo neme part common po no pa ba hotok wheeler lom no letan ko na he mahani no yekam ma na hawe wo ta do pa masatani ya no yekle ta phe yele ta lo ki ne do ki son do puwe ni ki mo ta do ta phu do ta mi ta do u do na ki no ta do ta phu do ta mi ta do no u do na ki no do phe do sivira de le you came only yesterday and today shall I make you no wander about with us no when I do not know no where I am going no I do not know where I am going go back and take your countrymen may kindness and faithfulness be with you kindness and faithfulness be with you no let us go down Bakra sukumota le tati the pa ilu petamo pusikolo no no pero kisitani teba polo munitim le bus no Ital replied the king as truly as the Lord live and as my lord the king lives whatever my lord the king may be no whether it's me life or death where will you serve it be no death or life where we now there will your service be no let us go to bakro patu patala tati the pai sikolo no kaini sida so no so ite sisha so parasivera no yamu e do yekasa mu e pheda alon le yekasa so pa uwele tati apu megi ta mu apu megi ni no nakhi na bwa ko uphene sikolo no when so da we khida no ero ko ba nyo khelo ba pasana ki ro no bwa later ro phane mo no bagdad ma la ta ma ata ti pha la ta ti phai sikolo no 22 ni devada ni le no David says to the Ittai go ahead march on no march on so no Ittai the Britain mala get it no get it marches on with all his men and the familiars that's where with him familiar with let us go down ni pay petiti nyala soda with sita so ite later do kogata tiki do paki tipu so ite le kogata no away le kogata do apwa ganyokele do pudi putala a udo no panyokele da pudi putala pala udo no awami paku pudi galo no do phani do patinya la no kisita ni teba pala minute ni le no kisita ni teba pala minute ni no the whole countryside which allows all the people pass by the king also across the no Britanamala Kendron no valleys and all the people moves on towards their disaster no when it Britanama sopa ni no when let you le talot a tom no when let you of Kanyoti the passic on a third sikolo no no pakobu ken howele a thought pado no pago mu no koga takele do so pakasada when koga tiklo no para kidro do pakele kota su pala kleni no when it takhim no fleece no you don't want to put sukumo no takhi when it in your loop of sikoma no pakida the blood corny babakwa sumedala patamopuno pakida no pakitena matai takluti the pilo no pegani cobrala no Zedek was there stood and all the Levites who were with him were carrying the ark of the covenant of God. They set down the ark of God and Abiathar offering sacrifice until all the people has finished leaving the city. Now finished leaving the city. Now the time who are pakro patu patala tati pai sikolo betambuno. No. Away ni pagkita mata ko radi no do kwa so sadu siko do palewi pukele udo pagkita no udo do suwelo jwata olo atala no do palo jwata lo no au jwata la siko bakhi no away no jwata la siko bakhi wala do so e baya the le to we tu lo le pa mu khe le ha thok we lo we pu we we lo no phane no bu ten no awani we we sit ko no no phane then the king said to the Zadok, take the ark of God back into the city. If the find favor in the Lord's eye, he will bring me back and let me see it and his dwelling place again. Now, when you meet now, the market so again, no, take back now, take the ark of God, no, back into the city, no, kiss so again, no, when you develop kiss so again, no, penny burger qua. No? But if he say, I am not pleased with you, then I am ready. Let him to do me whatever seems good to him. No, I want me to please you. No, because Kim Brandley highs. No, let them put up kasi wetan dinner to no penny table. No, kisi ye kisi huni tebra do sada we siba so sado kisu yu atalani no kisu dagi yu atlam no su we puriki yeme bablo ba pulo yu amenya no kadu heki dakiya do kadu neya le aweni do pagitena mala no do a u allo lo do missy di teba ba yata le namba do kwa ya lo mo amaya phe akile amenyarki no wani tulo we kasaywa atara takle le kesilo no no kisinwini no 27 in David dile the king also said to the Zadok no the priest no am you a seer go back to the city in peace with you Sam no Ahima no Ahimaaz, no, and Jonathan, son of the Abiathar, no, you and Abiathar take your two sons with you, no, I want to Abiathar na pokwakian, no, away more non do no, kiso dakim, no, so paini pekelele ta mata tirpas do so. No, do so pasiba paluta do so sado, no, nemi pwa ti tatame ba keke mumu su wipu do tu pukwa kia no tu pukwa kia odo tu na pukwa so akim me a do so e bayata no a pukwa so yona taniki no awen in the so in a targa no awen third no pagiterma pay do tera away wave at the force and the desire anthem no because my work come from you to inform me no takali le ke helena no je ko ul because am me pamugna no ma le mamu ko no pamugna kla je ko uphani no to le takali has soon no no je ko utu phani no no inform le takatu ba pay ni pekle kwa le no pakanyo aklu atasi takatu ni tewe dile no kwa tiki je ko ul pamugna no ataplopu tuta katu hele tu ule pamukana ataplopu tuta katu hele tu ule no agadune yetalo no awani agadune yetama no tebra no panero petinya ba tatamile but David continued up the Mount of Olives weeping no as he went his head was no bukitema coverage and he was bukitema barefoot no all the people with him no bukitema covered their heads too and were weeping and they went up no bukitema weeping silamina no bukitema takutago umano wane paini no bukitema la do so das no bukitema sado do ibayatha do sokia atala no su Jerusalem apu do uwe we were penny lo we penny sikolo no and penny do uwe siko penny no yetano kuta ro pakro patu patha le ta thi phai ni no penny take it over la no do penny do so da we le talk no a kasa thisa yelo do lewe do howe do aku club sa do leta khu bisi do no ke ye polo u do o khele ni club khu do lewe do ho we le aleta aphamni lo no cries okay cry no Little no good a hallway sicom no little no baba question me da tati the pie no a hallway sicolo no Penny pekle qualo 31 in teba party le no 31 no pekete mala teba party le no Penny da now David has been told no pekete mala told Ahithophel is among the conspirator with not Absalom, not so David pray, O Lord, turn Ahithophel consent into foolishness, not foolishness, not pagitera mana. Did to do away pagitera mana, pagitera maline, no foolishness, no. Pero tera no do padunes soda with a siweda do akisepila uwele pa olo no ta akla no pa olo ta akla ne olo makuta ro so absalo no do so absalo ne lo do so da wesi whether you are dictator no so akhi tapila atakulu atane le ta klo ki no when holiness ne ta klo no kero ki ta klo no do pay do pagile kwala ta sikine the Davis aras no pagitena mala at the smith their people use the worship gods no pagitena mala Hosea the architect no was there to meet him his robe tore and the ducks on his head no pagitena mala awen everything no pakamu no awe pena ponya si do paro alula pakamu mano when pagitete ma tadinete pan mano uwasikono do atama thatu soda we had to the ta do ku pe abuto baro yoro kwakwa pwaka phu so hu se hetege o udo asi yakwi do hoku akamu ula apokulo awe pwa no kora so hu se no sai so who said no when pakamu uwesikolo apokolo hetege we so pa no now Penny David said to him if you go with me you will beat and burden to me no pagiten mana nimi leta ro ya ro pagiten mana no so dai siba nimi le kho ga ta ro ya ro no na ke ke ro ta wi ta khele yego ta wi ta khele yego no te ra din no But if you return to the city and say to the Absalom, I will be your servant, O king, I was your father's servant in the past, but now I will be your servant. No, then you can help me by frustrating. No, I have the far advice. No, advice. No, advice. No. Pagitete mala tagita klopay meme no nemeke su wipu do seba so abzalo yegeke nakina pwa so pa no yamin na pa ke pwa leple lili no yamin na pa ke pwa leple lili lo no do kegene I yegeke to nakina pwa sikolo ni lo no sikolo ni lo do nakama hago ba so akhit phila atakulu atane le chegolo so akhit phila atakuni no awene bakiten mala awek ba mahago weni lo no litana ma taki mergyo lo awe baki no litana hu ja ro no bakiten ma tati de phan no phay do tewra lo won't the priest no Sado and the no Abiathar be there with you no tell them anything you hear in the king palace no pagitema ma ta teba wethi le bakha no na huba ta la no sopa anunfu no ta pagitema no phay no tebra la do ta paluta do soda no so sadu do so be no so e baya the udo na penny to me ba do ke yeta le nekana hu le sopa a hiputami lalane, takato ma thalan gaba seba, paluta do, so, sado, do, so e, payatalo, no, so e payata, no. Let that look out when it takato na who with it passing on a batte without so e payata, no. Let that look out, no. So sado, do, so e payata, no. When it metala, pagatan so that we kim or tala tawen, no. When no, pagatan mala, no. No. Daniel, no. Ola, no. Let them put out of back Christmas when it no. Pay pagatil tamata did palapane. They are two sons, no. Corala, Ahimaza, son of the Zadok, and the Jonathan, son of the Abiathar, are there with them. Now send them to me with anything you hear. Now, what did I love? The Nahuda to Milalani, no, no, Mer with the hell of it, no, because my Mer with it all, Deba Yani, no. No, so David, France, no, has no Honsius arrived at the Jerusalem. Absalom was entering the city, no taki third no Pakanini, no because David flees sector, no David flees need to give out a tea corn, no let them put up a club patupata, lopetam, no David is a flees by his son only, okay, not to the other people, not your enemy, only his son. This is a very painful, okay, your son, okay, fighting to use and against you. This is very painful, okay. Let them put out of a bucket on the but dog with it pani amano. Let them have a crop to patala betamuno. Pecalera dile, Pacuudile, Pacamadile, Nirki, no. Today is the finish, no. God bless you. You want to read, okay? You can read it best. 2 Samuel chapter 15, verse let me see for you verse 13, okay, to the 37, okay. You want to see what happened to the Davids, and then David flees. Why reason for, okay, because the his son of Zelo, no. Let the hutara pakropatu patala patamu punilo when imitala so that we hear a pokwa so of Zalo again, no tamata, no takamati or takamahawa with the killer, no. When it pagamo piano ki poro so Zalo kini curl a cursing up Isla for the pa. Let them put our name. Now mapa kasukamura pitching of palo, patamu no. Ta uta thought to me, no pamara, pa aga marala ta uta thone, no. Takiro little sicolo, no pa aga marala tagi sico, takiro little sicolo, no. Takulani mitala pagchatamala. Pakasukumutal aki abak pakilitalu tamitatop on it game. Now, whatever you think about, okay, this mean is that someone against someone is not good thing, okay. You should think about wisely. You should think about wisely. You had to plan it, and then you had to be defined by yourself, okay. This means it's a better thing for you, better than your hustle, okay. Think about it. Once you ask, pray to God, temptations coming a lot in your household. Your wife, your children, maybe your family, maybe your friends, okay? Maybe your neighbor, a lot of things coming. But don't be afraid, okay? Don't be afraid. Think carefully, okay? Think carefully to whatever you do. Think carefully, no? Let that go down. God bless you. Tonight is the finish, no? We will see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. God bless you all. May God bless you. Bye-bye.